it's Jeanine Amapola and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So hello from the kitchen. First of all, I'm in Austin right now with my family and I'll be heading back to LA soon. And second of all, the reason why I'm in the kitchen is that I believe that I'm going to be talking a lot about diet and health and fitness and food. And I believe this is the place where this all starts. The biggest changes you make in your life with your fitness and your physique start in the kitchen. If this is your first time coming to my channel, hello, my name is Jeanine and I do a lot of health and fitness videos just because my overall goal is I really love to help people and I want to help people. I've been on a fitness journey for a really long time. I'm really passionate about these topics. I've worked with many nutritionists and trainers in the past and I have collected a lot of information and I'm trying to pass this on to you guys. Now, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a nutritionist, and I'm also not a trainer. So, however, in this video, I want to share with you guys all the habits and things I've done in my life that have made a big difference. They've allowed me to see progress in my fitness journey, allowed me to feel better, stay more track on my goals, and just overall have helped contribute to a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. And also this video will be in partnership with Thrive Market. I've worked with Thrive Market in the past. I really love this website. And if you haven't heard of Thrive Market before, Thrive Market is an online membership-based market which has a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. So click the link in my description box to sign up for Thrive Market now and you can get up to $20 in shopping credit when you join today. So the first tip that I did that really changed the way I ate, the way I saw food, and also the way that I saw my body is substituting foods. Now what this means is you don't necessarily have to give up all your favorite things. There's so many things I love to eat still. For example, I love ice cream. But if you can find substitutes for things like versus eating Bluebell and you eat Halo Top, that would be a great substitute. I've also made a video that is dedicated to all the food swaps I've made as far as bread and ketchup, soy sauce, the types of milks I drink, the types of coffee creamers. There's a lot of different substitutes that are just a lot healthier for you, better ingredients, less sugar, and overall your body just will process this a lot better. So something that I really tried to do that I think has made a big difference is just swapping out unhealthy things, or even just not necessarily just unhealthy, but things I know that don't have the best ingredients and just finding products that do have better ingredients. An example of that would be, so these are things I've gotten from Thrive Market. I'm gonna show you guys everything I got from Thrive Market, but these, for example, are some things I got that have helped me stay on my fitness journey. So instead of me eating like Sour Patch Kids before bed or a bucket of ice cream, I find a substitute like this. This is from Smart Sweets and these are their peach rings. So these have 3 grams of sugar as opposed to other ones might have like 30 to 40 grams of sugar, which is a lot. Another thing would be like stevia. So instead of me using regular sugar and just pouring that over my coffee or my fruit and yogurt, I use stevia, which has a lot of benefits here, as you guys can see. I got hooked on stevia probably 2 years ago now and it is amazing. And if you guys can see here, it is 0 calories, 0 sugar. This is a much better option than regular sugar. And something else as well is just as simple as pasta, getting healthier options like brown rice pasta or even quinoa pasta or even doing spaghetti squash pasta. So just finding alternatives is going to help you make better decisions and also stay more on track. But since I already showed you guys a little bit of what's in my Thrive Market box, I'm gonna show you guys what else I got in my Thrive Market box because I got so much good stuff and this website has so much goodies. Like, it is incredible. Definitely recommend you guys check this out. First thing I got are the Thrive Market Organic Coffee Blonde Roast. I love blonde roast coffee, so I got this, and this is their own brand. Popcorn. I love to snack on popcorn, and this is definitely a healthier alternative as well for popcorn. Love this flavor, so I got this from there as well. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I make banana pancakes almost every single morning, so I just restocked on some items that help me make my banana pancakes. So these are ground flax seeds and rolled oats, so I got these as well. I got Luna mini bars. I love these so much. Probably my most favorite bars I've ever had, so check these out. I got some crackers. These are the Thrive Market Organic Crackers, Ancient Grains crackers. The next thing I got are these Sweet Leaf Water Drops, and this helps me just drink a little bit more water and it makes your water taste good. I love doing this because sometimes I struggle to drink water, so I got these. And Thrive Market doesn't just sell food and snacks. They sell a bunch of beauty care products as well, skincare products, health products. So I got an SPF 50 Sports Shield sunscreen stick, so I got that. I also got this, which is Ditch the Itch cream. So I'm back in Texas and there's mosquitoes here and they love me. They bite me like crazy. So whenever I get bit, I can just put this on there and I'm sure I'm going to need that this weekend. I also got Burt's Bees chapstick, which is probably one of my most favorite chapsticks. And then the last thing I got is apple cider vinegar. This is the Bragg's version and there's a lot of health benefits to drinking apple cider vinegar. So I repurchased this. I haven't had this in a while, but I got a nice big bottle and so I got this. And the reason why it's so great is that when you join as a member, you can get 20 to 50% off the retail prices on items when you are a member. So that way you can save a lot of money. Another thing that's so great about it is you can shop by 70 plus dietary needs and values. So whether you're keto, organic, vegan, non-GMO, BPA free, paleo, you name it, they have it. So if you guys are interested, the website is super easy to use. It's very convenient and functional and you can find everything you need and just browse all the categories. And if you guys want to join, there's 2 different membership options to suit your lifestyle. There's a 1-month membership for $9.95 a month, or there's a 12-month membership for $5 a month and you'll be billed at $59.95. So hopefully you guys will check it out and find some goodies on Thrive Market. Definitely encourage you guys to check it out. It's super easy to use. They have so many goodies on there and I'm stoked to be partnered with them. And now let's just get on to the rest of the video. Okay, so my next tip is looking at ingredients and studying ingredients a little bit more. So when I got a nutritionist, she really helped me do this, but I also did some research on my own and I also got this book that's called Eat Pretty. I'll insert a picture here. I really recommend you guys to look into this book because this allows you to really know what you're putting into your body and what it does to your body, as well as watching documentaries. I'll list a couple documentaries down below that will just kind of help you get a little bit more information regarding what you're eating and what it does to your body, because once you understand the effects and you start seeing the way food really should fuel you and not harm you, and it shouldn't make you feel more lethargic and it shouldn't make you feel so bloated, you start being like, okay, wait, something's wrong here. So I really encourage you guys to do your own research and to really look into this stuff. The next thing that I did that was really helpful was that in the beginning of my fitness journey, I tracked my food for about 2 to 3 weeks. Now that doesn't mean I tracked calories or macros. That basically means I made a food log. So every single day I would mark down exactly what I ate. This was per my nutritionist recommendation. I'd mark down everything that I ate and then I would also mark how did it make me feel? Did it make me feel bloated? Did I start breaking out? Did I get gassy? Did it make me more tired? Did it give me more energy? And start making note of that, because there were times where I would wake up and I would be so unbelievably bloated and I'd be like, what in the world? And then I would go back and I'd be like, oh, it's because I ate dairy before bed. So dairy was something I decided to start cutting out of my diet because I saw the way it affected my body. If you start tracking this and making a food log, it really helps you to see how these foods specifically affect your body, your skin, bloating, and everything of that sort. So I really recommend you guys to do that and then start making notes of what foods do trigger that, and when they do that, start trying to find ways to cut that out and also finding substitutes. The next thing that I did was trying to remove as much sugar as possible. Now, sugar is so detrimental for the body. It makes your skin break out. Long term, it is so damaging for us. So finding options again like stevia, or even when you're at Starbucks and you're getting coffee, getting the sugar-free option of like the vanilla, just trying to find ways to not even have the sugar, or just looking at the ingredients and looking for the product that has the least amount of sugar. So whenever I'm looking even at like pasta sauce or even ketchup or bread, I look at the ingredients and I look for the one that has the least amount of sugar, as well as added sugars. Now, sugar is not bad overall. There's fruit. Fruit has sugars. That's okay, but you want to make sure that you're not eating things that have added sugar, because these are not good for your body. The next thing that I did is I would always bring a snack with me. So whenever I knew I was going on a road trip, or I was going to be out for a long day, or I knew that I was just going to get hungry, because I do get hungry very quickly, I started bringing snacks with me everywhere I went. So for example, what I would do is I would bring like a Luna bar with me and an apple and a bottle of water. So I wouldn't end up running to a fast food restaurant or just pigging out on like a bowl of chips because I was so hungry. So this was a good way for me to stay on track and also help me avoid overindulging in food that probably wasn't as good for me. Okay, this next option can be a little bit harder, but this is something that I definitely started doing. So I've been back in Texas for the last like month, and I just know normally like when I stay with my parents, they don't really have food that allows me to stay on track. And I've tried to kind of like help my parents get healthier alternatives, but I don't know, they're difficult. So what I started doing is I started buying my own groceries and cooking for myself and trying to cook at home as much as possible. I think the more that you're eating out and the more you don't really know what's going in the food, how they're cooking it, how much oil, salt, all that stuff, the more you can start seeing an increase in weight gain. So I started kind of buying my own groceries, cooking for myself, and finding ingredients that were healthier overall. So this is something that I definitely did that I have seen has made a massive difference since I've been home. Normally when I come home for the week, obviously I'm not buying groceries because I'm just here for the week, and I would just eat out every single day and I would see a weight gain when I got back to California. So since I've been here for over a month, I was like, okay, we're not doing that. We're gonna stay on track, and I actually feel so good. I'm really confident with my body. Again, that's where the Thrive Market can come in, so they can just deliver groceries to you. So check out Thrive Market, but I would encourage you guys to do that so you guys can stay more on track. Okay, so my next tip for you guys is just giving my body a little bit of a rest. Now, something that I used to do is that every single day, like 5 to 6 times a week, I was at the gym, like grinding, lifting, sweating. I felt like I had to like kill myself at the gym every single day. And I don't know where I got that mentality from. I guess I was just thinking like, I'm such a hardo, I'm at the gym. But something I've started to do is I've either started to go, and this is actually what quarantine has helped me with, is going on like an hour-long walk or a 30-minute walk, or realizing I don't have to kill myself in the gym every single day. It's really good to have some days that are just like low-intensity days, so you can just walk or jog for 30 minutes or just cycle for 30 minutes. This has actually kind of helped my body to kind of recover, and also it's just good for you just to not always over stress out your body so it can build that muscle, so you're not just constantly like shocking your body, you know what I mean? And this just helps with stress a lot. So during quarantine, one of the best ways for me to lower my stress, which is a big factor of why sometimes people hold on their weight or don't see progress, is because of stress. A good way for me to kind of lower that stress was to go on a walk. So I really, really encourage you guys to not always feel like you have to kill yourself in the gym every single day. So if you do that at least like once a week or twice a week, it's gonna be fine. And so I try to mix up my workout routines of like some days are HIIT, some days are low intensity, and then some are mainly weight training. So definitely try to implement that more, and just realize your body does need time to recover and to rest. My next tip again is just finding more ways to drink water. So for me, that was either carrying a water bottle with me, finding substitutes. Like I love sparkling water. Sparkling water is not bad for you, and so I love sparkling water. So for me, that was a really great way to drink a lot more water. And also, like I showed you guys earlier, just adding like water droplets in your water so you are encouraged more to drink it because it tastes better. But water is so crucial for your body. You need water. I would encourage you guys to find what works for you, but do not neglect your water. You need it, and your skin needs it. Your entire body lives off of water, so drink that water. And last but least, you guys, something again that I always want to stress is that I feel like this is a lifestyle, a sustainable lifestyle. This is not a trend. I used to literally do trends all the time. I was like, I'm gonna be gluten-free. I'm gonna do intermittent fasting. I'm gonna do, like, I tried so many different things. Once I realized that this was a lifestyle and not just a trend or a fad, that is when I became so much happier. I honestly had a hard time tracking macros, hard time tracking calories, hard time doing intermittent fasting, hard time doing like these fad diets because they don't last. And when I thought about what is going to work for me when I'm 50, 60, 70, when I'm down the road, this is what I'm doing now is still going to work for me because I've made this a sustainable lifestyle where this is easy for me, I get it, and it works for me. So I want you guys just to remember that there's no just like quick fix, like there's no just overnight thing. This is going to take time, but you want it overall to be sustainable and something you can keep up for the rest of your life. And so just remember that, and I hope this video really helped you guys out. So that is today's video. I hope that helped you guys out and gave you some things to think about, and hopefully gives you guys some tips to make a healthier, happier lifestyle. Again, thank you so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys will check them out and check out this website and join as a member because there's so many membership perks when you join. So click the link down below to give Thrive Market a try, and you guys can find the membership that best fits your lifestyle. They have a 1 month and a 12-month option, and I personally went with the 12-month option because when it comes down to when you break down the pricing, it's only $5 a month. And I can see myself using Thrive Market for the entire year. They have so many products that I love on there, things that are great substitutes, and I just enjoy working with this company, so that is why I did the 12-month option. But if you're not sure if Thrive Market is the right fit for you, you can easily give it a try for a shorter period of time. And just remember, the Market membership is risk-free. You can take the first 30 days to determine if Thrive Market is right for you, and if not, just cancel within 30 days and you'll get a full refund. So super easy to use. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please let me know. I love making these videos for you guys. And check out my Instagram and my vlog channel. My Instagram is Jeanine Amapola and my vlog channel is Jeanine TV, both linked down below. Love you guys so much. I will see you very, very soon when I'm back in California, and have an amazing day. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye guys.